Good morning, first graders. Welcome to Number Corner on this wonderful Wednesday. The first thing you need to do is get your notebook paper ready. So you'll see that I have the date on top and I wrote Number Corner on the top of my paper as we do every single day. Please press pause while you're writing this as I'm going to continue with the video. Alrighty, now that your paper is set up, we are heading to Number Corner. So we're going to start with the calendar. So as I look at the calendar, I see that I need to make a prediction for today. So one of the very first things I'm going to do is I'm going to add a number 1, and this is where I'm going to make a prediction about what I will see behind card 23. So what do you think it will look like behind this card? I am going to write what color I think it will be. I am going to write what number I will see. And I'm going to write what picture or number representation will I see? Okay, these are all things that I'm looking to see what your prediction is. Okay, alrighty friends. Now that I have that, I need to press pause while you are doing that. All right, now that you've done that, I'm going to turn the card over. Please do not add or change what you already wrote on number 1. All righty, so here I'm going to change 23. All righty, so again, now you can look back at your predictions and see, was I right? Was I not? Alrighty, we're going back to Number Corner. We are going to sing our 2 songs for our coins. So here we go. Penny, penny, easily spent, copper, brown, and worth 1 cent. One more time. Penny, penny, easily spent, copper, brown, and worth 1 cent. Alrighty. So again, the next coin we have is the nickel. Nickel, nickel, thick and fat, you're worth 5 cents, I know that. Again, nickel, nickel, thick and fat, you're worth 5 cents, I know that. All right, now this next part is where we represent numbers. Okay, so today is our 8th day of school, so you're going to put an 8 here. I would like you to put a box around the 8, okay? And now you're going to represent that number 8. One way we can do that is we could represent by showing it on our hands. We could represent with a 10 frame. We could represent with an addition equation. We could represent with a subtraction equation. We can represent with tally marks. We can represent with coins. All right, these are the ways that we have practiced so far. So feel free to show the number 8 in these different ways. Alrighty friends, I hope you have a wonderful day and you will rock today. You've shown us you can do it and we are proud of you.